Okay, so you just created a server, or you already have an existing server, but you want to add some color roles to make it look neater and overall just give more people an option to select from. So the way I ended up adding color roles to my server is I used a website called Discohook and a bot called CarlBot. What you want to begin with is creating the roles from your server, and you're gonna go to server settings, roles, and here's where you could create them. You go to the top here and press the little plus icon. Once you have created the role, it's going to pop up at the bottom of the list, and you're going to want to drag it towards the top because that's going to give it the color. Whatever role is at the top is going to give the user the color. Then from there, create a few more roles, give it a couple more colors until you're satisfied. Okay, so I'm going to use this channel to show you how I created these embed messages where the user can select their own roles from. So now you're going to want to go to the Disco website, and from here you're going to be an info section here, and you want to clear it all. After that, you want to get the URL for the webhook, which you do by going to the channel you want to use, click edit channel, and you're going to want to go to interact something, and then you want to click view webhook or create webhook. You're going to want to create one, and then just press this to copy the URL. From here, you just go back to Disco and paste it up here. Now what you want to do is add like a title that is going to be corresponding to this. Add a title, description, and a field, which you're going to call colors, how I did over here. And then at the bottom here, you're going to want to enter in the field value. Okay, so in this field value, this is where you're going to see what emote triggers what color role the user gets. So to get the IDs for the emotes and the roles, you're going to want to go back to Discord. Just send the emotes in a channel. You're going to want to do this symbol, and then click out of it, and then you're going to want to, let's say you want to use this dark pink one, you're going to want to highlight it, copy, and then paste it right next to it. And as you see, you get this ID, which you're just going to copy and paste back into here. You're going to see you can put placed, and that's what you end up getting. This is the ID for the reaction emote. And to get the IDs for the roles, you're going to want to go back to Discord settings, and from there go to roles, and then select the color role that you're going to use. Let's use this one for example. Right click on this and click copy ID. And then from there, you want to use this symbol, this symbol, this symbol, paste the number ID you got, and then close it off with this symbol. And that's, as you can see right here, this is how you get the emote and the role right next to each other. Now that we're done with that, you're going to want to click send, and if you got the correct URL, you go back into the channel, you can see that the colors have appeared here. Delete that real quick. Okay, so from here, you're going to want to go to CarlBot, scroll down towards reaction roles, and you're going to want to put create a new reaction role. From here, you're going to want to click use ID and go back to here, click more, copy ID, go back and paste ID right here. And you're going to want to select the channel that you want to use it in. As for in this case, it's going to be dark colors. So I select dark colors, and then this is where you add the emote. And I want to do this in order so it matches up with the color emotes and the color roles. So I'm going to start with dark pink and type the role dark pink as well. And then you just want to click add an emote until you're done with the list. Okay, so once you have this set and completed in order, you're going to want to scroll down and put message type. You're going to want to set this to unique in order for them not to be able to pick up multiple color roles and just have one. From there, you can click create, and as you go back to Discord, you can see the emotes being set on their own.